Hi everyone, this is Group 31, and our topic is digital marketing transformation of the theater operators in Canada. Here is our project background. TO Live is a charitable non-profit agency of the City of Toronto. With the development of the information, TO Live faces increasingly severe competition. Therefore, TO Live needs to carry out digital marketing transformation to win back their audience and better spread culture and art in digital area. Our company, Event Tech, is an IT team with skilled web development experience. The purpose of this report is to briefly describe how we will complete the digital transformation of TO Life. We will carry out 12 months of development work, and the final deliverable will be a unified, multifunctional, and interactive website-style platform. In this report, we will describe our project plan in detail. Our purpose is to carry out design and development of the TO Live digital experience platform. The digital experience platform will help audience and experience art from the art form of TO Live and actively participate in it. The platform should be a website that contains multiple functions. Next slide, please. We analyze the benefits that the platform will bring to TO Live. This is why we chose to undertake this project. We summarize the following 5 points. The first one is improve operational efficiency. Traditional performing arts operations requires a lot of manual labor to arrange ticketing and conduct offline promotions. After digital transformation, management will be able to allocate more human resources to decision-making and program preparation. The second one is expand the audience scope. After regularly publishing announcements about the series of events, viewers can check the TO Live digital platform easily, and we can interact with the audience on the platform and get more feedback. The third one is improve brand building. TO Live can release news of performance on its official website. These consistent records and reports can strengthen TO Live's cultural and artistic concept, thus establishing TO Live's status as a cultural and artistic center in the hearts of the citizens. The fourth one is provide personalized experience. Every user will find their needs in their website and give audience, artists, group of companies that rent venues and investors a unified platform to contact TO Live. This website platform will simplify the contact process. The last one is support data analysis. TO Live's website can take into account statistical functions. The platform can count the click-through rate and conduct surveys on users' preference, and we can collect users' opinions and suggestions through the website, thereby improving TO Live's subsequent services. And next slide, my teammate Michael will introduce about the stakeholder details. Thank you.
Okay, here are our stakeholders. TO Live officials, audience, group rental, on-site venue, sponsors, live broadcast management, Ticketmaster integration, and TO Live's brand image and reputation. For example, for our TO Live officials, a website-style platform that integrates event inquiry, preview, ticket ordering, and performance feedback functions is needed to present TO Live. And the platform can provide customized services for actors, audiences, venue renters, and sponsors. And they aim to increase revenue and enhance TO Live's brand image through this platform. For our audiences, they need a platform that allows them to actively interact with TO Live's artistic experience. And they need the user-friendly event inquiry, ticket ordering, and performance feedback functions and personalized experience. Next slide, please.
Okay. As for deliverables of digital marketing transformation here, we divided into two category, project management related and also product related. Project management related, we have three deliverable, which is the first is project plan, the details of the work plan, including the method, schedule, tasks, and deliverables. And then bi-weekly reporting, which is report that we give updates to the stakeholder every 2 weeks. And also the last one is closure document, final project reports, and the document that indicate that the project is already done. And based on the requirement from the stakeholder, as mentioned my friend before, the website, we call it a single digital experience platform, which is a website that allows the key audience such as entertainment seeker, corporate renter, promoter to experience your life, and also become a portal to find venue, book, donation, apply job, and provide feedbacks on events. And also this website is integrated to Ticketmaster to purchase ticket and also facilitate a content management system and CRM and automation and data management as the user required. And also we will provide the architecture of solution, which is application infrastructure architecture and then system configuration, system operation guideline of the solution for the operational team and also the IT team. Next slide, please. And there is some out of scope of this project, like a hosting provider. We don't recommend any provider. It back to the user and also the designs of logo, because your team have a designer, graphic designer themselves, and also if there is any update on the server, especially we not include that, and also the marketing strategies it will be provided by the marketing teams. Okay, next slide, please. And here our milestone that indicate the progress of the project completion during project timeline, including every phase like the initiation, planning, execution, deployment, monitoring, and closure. For example, the kick-off meeting and then project charter completed until the hands over from the operational team to from project team to the operational team. And for detail timeline will be delivered by my friend Aswin. Please.
Hello. So our timeline is of 12 months. We've divided those into 2-week intervals to match up with the bi-weekly reporting. As you can see, each small box is a 2-week interval, and that is the minimum time allotted to a task. For the build, we have two iterations. First will be the build of a prototype, and then a deployment-ready build that will include all the test feedback and redesign and stuff. We've also accommodated tasks to accommodate any migration of existing content or like extensions such as the Ticketmaster or online payments. Can you go to the next slide? So as this is the work breakdown structure, again, we've broken up tasks into as per their phases. Each phase is completed before going on to the next one. As you can see, the execution phase is expected to be the longest, followed by the planning phase. And closure is supposed to be the smallest, even though it might not have the least tasks. A lot of these can be done simultaneously. If we can go to the next one. The network diagram illustrates how like each phase has to be completed before moving on to the next one. You can also see examples such as planning. A lot of tasks can be done simultaneously, but they need to be completed before moving on to the final milestone task, that is updating the work breakdown structure. Can we go to the next one? So this is a racing matrix. We've divided the responsibilities among project sponsors and team members. It is also divided by phases. Something else you might notice is some of the tasks are highlighted. These are what we call milestone tasks, after the completion of which every member of the project will be informed about the project status, just as an update. And so everyone is on the same track. Next, we'll go to costs, which will be elaborated by Jeff.
Hi, so everyone. So today I want to talk about the facts about that affect the cost of going digital and how it's related to our companies and the TO life. So in the digital age, every organizations need to use digital technique and to stay competitive. But the cost of this change can depend on a few important things. First, the size of the organizations is a big factor. So smaller companies can sometimes switch to digital ways more easily and at a lower cost. But the bigger companies might need to spend more to change their correct systems. To TO Life is like a smaller company, so we have some advantage here. And the second thing is how good we are with technique and the new skills. This can make a big difference in the cost of going digital. For us, we are going with good with technical, and we have skilled teams to help us with these things. And the third thing is setting clean goal for our business. This helps us know where to spend money and why. And then for our companies, our main things is our website, and we want to make this better for our users and to reach out to more people. And this help us spend our budget better. And then now we'll talk about types of the cost in our projects. So first we have the direct cost and the indirect cost and the fixed cost. So in the direct cost, there are some of the costs we need to make the project happen, like pay people, design the website, and make it work well. And the indirect cost, those are other costs that help the project, but not the part of it, like pay our management teams and the training of staff or something else, and the fixed cost. And then this cost is stay about the same. Even we change the project size, this cost isn't going to change. And for all this cost, our totally budget is the 1 million and 90,000 and 2,000. And we go to the risk. Also, the risk management is the guarantee of a perfectly functional projects, and the emergency of all kinds of risks is in this. And the table show our risks we may deal with. So we have 6 risks, and the first one is cost overrun. If you cost overrun, you need to find a new sponsor or cut the cost. And the second one is delayed deliverables. So this is the most important one, I think. If you just delay everything, you need to redesign or increase the speed. And the third is software failures. The software is available in your website, so you need to switch the interface or purchasing service to improve your software. Also, the fourth one is the talent shortage, and then you need to hire someone else to help you. And the fifth is the marketing research fail, the low marketing response. You need to change strategies or restart your marketing research. Or the sixth is the support group. You need to implement a change request process. And we go to the conclusion, which
Okay, here's our conclusion. Our report centers on TO Live's key digital transformation, a versatile web platform. Development and deployment will be completed within a year. Our highly skilled team has over a year of web development experience, emphasizes effective communication and collaboration, and has a deep understanding of project context and requirements. We're ready to strengthen TO Live's culture, presence, and to ensure continued growth. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Any questions?